Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to run AI premium models for completely free, uh, which is Claude, Gemini, Grok. The extension name is RooCode, R-O-O code. If you go to the extensions tab, just type here ROOCODE. This is the extension. It's similar to Cursor, where it allows you to run AI agents, all the AI agents directly using a single extension. So this is their official website. If you try to open this, this is their homepage, AI powered development right inside your VS Code. So it's got almost 700,000 installs. So once you click the install button, and there is a website which you can use, OpenRouter. So once you enable this extension, it will appear sidebar section right here, row code. Just activate this extension. And if you're doing it for the very first time, you just need to uh, write here in the, so as you can see, using this extension, you can write, modify, refactor code. You can even ask explanation regarding the code, debug your code, all the things you can do. And just click the settings option and right here, you need to specify your API key. So what sort of API key you are using? So right here in the model section, uh, you just need to paste what sort of model you are using right here. So in our case, you can see in the drop down section, just select the configuration. So right here we selected OpenRouter. So OpenRouter is a free website which allows you to test out any sort of AI model which is released. So this is their website, openrouter.ai. It's completely free. There is no subscriptions like other websites. Simply log in with your Google account and you can just see all the models are present. You can search for any model, Horizon, Beta, Mistral. You can see Gemini, Quen, Claude, all the premium models, all the models which are related to Anthropic, Claude, you will see all these models are present. So what you need to do, you need to go to the keys section and just click create API key. I've already done that. So if you do this, you simply create your API key, click on create. As soon as you do this, you will get your API key. Simply copy this and paste it right here. So after you paste it, you simply select which sort of model you want to use right here. Simply from the drop down, just select whichever model you want to use. So I would just want to use this uh, Claude model. So I will simply select I want to use Anthropic Claude Sonnet model. As soon as you do this, simply click the save button and now come to the chat window, and right here you can ask any sort of thing. So let's suppose what I will do, I will simply can attach files as well, just typing at the rate and it will attach the file for me. So right here we attach this index.html. So I just want to say build a simple scientific calculator in this file. So you basically make the request here. So once you make the request, it will start analyzing the file and it will use that Claude model that you selected and start writing the code for you. So you can see so these are the tokens you get, basically free tokens to try out all the APIs. This is, click on retry if it's not working. You can even change the model as well. Right here, you can pick out another model. You can use the DeepSeek free model right here and click on save. Start new task. So you can attach the file here. So if you do this now, you will see it will try to build out. Some models are free, some models are not. So depending upon what sort of models you create, the process remains the same. You create the API key and right here you ask. It's a very good extension, RooCode. You can see it's very popular, and so now it is started to, I think, uh, build out. Just terminate all the tasks that you opened. Just start from scratch. If you want to create a new task, you simply click on the new option, top 10 frameworks. So you can basically ask any question as well, top 10 frameworks. And for some reason, if your model is not working, you can click on just edit and make sure that you open this. If you want to just delete this API key, you can even delete that as well. Just you need to paste a correct API key, just give it a name. Advanced settings you can even just copy to clipboard and simply paste it. And now right here you can select any sort of model which is so as soon as you select a model, it will show you these restrictions which are there. Maximum output, you can select all these things, rate limit, error repetition limit, open router. You can even search for any sort of model. Let's suppose I use Horizon Beta model. So you simply write, and after that you can see it will try to. So it is creating the code as well. You can see that. So you can approve the permissions, and it will basically create the app for you. You can see automatically. Once you select the model, it is writing the code for you. So in this easy way, guys, you can use this extension in VS Code to try out any sort of premium model for completely free. You paste your own API key from OpenRouter and just plug this right inside this extension. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.